Destiny. I'm a licensed real estate agent, and I'm here today with two women home buyers. This is Mel, and this is Nadia, and we're going to talk a little bit about their journey in home ownership. Mel, why don't you tell us about your experience?
So first of all, I have to give a shout out to my mom. She was a huge inspiration. She's the one who prompted me to buy a house or even just put that thought into my head. Because I was working hourly, I just didn't think that I could afford anything. But she was like, girl, absolutely wrong. She's like, you need to go buy a house. You have good credit. You've saved your money. And so we found a townhome and fixed it up, actually. It was wonderful.
Nadia, tell us a little bit about your home buying experience.
So my mom also encouraged me from a very young age to think about home ownership as a goal of mine for my future. And so it was a dream my whole life to eventually purchase a home. So post-graduation, I was working and I was able to purchase a home by using the first-time home buyers program, and it made my dream come true.
Single women make up almost a quarter of new home buyers. For Gen Z, that number is even higher at 31%. And Gen Z is the only generation where single women are outpacing married couples as home buyers. Why? 52% of American women are single. That's more than ever before. And they're growing their wealth too. The number of single women in the labor force is increasing 3 times as fast as the broader labor pool. Single women are really out there doing it, and we need some tips.
My tip would be to be pre-approved for a mortgage. It just really makes things a lot easier because you know how much house that you can actually purchase. Plus, more importantly, you also know how much money you can put down as well, too.
Absolutely. Got to know the numbers.
Absolutely.
Now, Nadia, tell us what your tip would be.
An important home buying tip would be to not be fearful of debt. Not all debt is bad, so learn your debt to income ratio and see what you can afford.
When it comes to a down payment, you don't have to put 20% down. But a higher down payment can help you avoid buying private mortgage insurance, get a better interest rate, and lower your monthly payment. Just remember that putting more down can leave you less money for repairs and take longer to save. So how do you figure out how much home you can afford? An important factor to consider is your DTI, your debt to income ratio. You can find your DTI by dividing your monthly debt payments by your gross monthly income. This helps you and your mortgage lender get a better understanding of your financial situation. Most lenders want to see applicants with a DTI ratio of 43% or less. There's nothing quite like purchasing your first home. Nadia, tell us a little bit about what it felt like walking in for the first time.
I remember when I first got the keys, it was a surreal moment. I went home and I sat in the middle of my living room floor by myself, looking out the window, and I did shed a few tears. It was a really happy moment, and it was just like all my hard work finally paid off.
If you take every holiday, every puppy, every happy feeling, and you throw it into like one box, that's how it felt. It was just the biggest joy. Like, I did this. I own this house. This is my property. And these are my keys. And it was just, I can't even describe it. It's just an amazing feeling.
Oh, that is so powerful. That's home ownership.
Yep.
So Nadia, for women who are looking to buy their first home, what would you say to them?
I would say that you can entirely do this by yourself. You don't need to wait around for someone to help you. That's what my thing was when I was first starting out. I didn't think I could do it alone. But just get pre-approved for a mortgage, see what you can afford, and go out there and get it.
Absolutely. I love that. Now, Mel, what about you?
The advice I would give is do it. You don't have to wait until you're, married or till you make tons of money. Like, home ownership is definitely within your grasp. It's within your reach. You just probably don't even know it is. I would say believe in yourself and you can make your dream home come true.
Well, this has been such a great conversation. Thank you, ladies, for sharing both of your stories. It is so truly inspiring. We hope that this inspires you to purchase your first home. You can do it.